Hello there, Neil here from Gutterpro, Milton, Keynes and Northampton. Welcome along to another video, and the job we're doing today is a partial roof clean. We have quoted the whole house for this customer, but at the moment we're just doing the front side of the house. So there's some big old lumps of moss up here to get off. The house is kind of situated underneath a big tree, which is over the garage, this part here. So this part of the roof is really suffering as it stays so damp, especially during the winter months when it's very damp underneath here. So this side of the roof is thick in moss. So we're going to clean it all up, treat it with our biocide treatment, and then we'll probably be back later on in the year, no doubt, to do the other side of the house and finish the whole property really. But this is the main part they wanted doing today, as it's the worst part of the property due to this big tree. So yeah, let's crack on and get going. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to see more videos. Thanks very much.